Well, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Miguel and you're watching Miguel EDC, the channel where we talk everything EDC gear here. Today I have another unboxing video for you. You're going to be checking out what knives are in this package here. And by the looks of it, it looks like it might be two knives in here, as a matter of fact. I'm getting these knives sent to me via the Lefty EDC knife pass around. So shout out to Kevin. This specific one is coming from JD for EDC. So check him out as well here on YouTube. So you can probably tell, you probably can't tell by my voice. I'm a little bit under the weather right now. I'm actually doing my best here to record these unboxings because over the last 2 to 3 days, I really haven't been able to do so, and it's really frustrating. I really want to get back in my groove here. It's a new year. I'm ready to really get, some work done, and then I just immediately got sick right after the New Year festivity. So, but here we are. I'm feeling a little better. So hopefully I'll continue to feel better over the upcoming days. Hopefully the audio, the voice doesn't really sound all that bad. It really sounded bad a few days ago for sure. So you saw the title, saw the thumbnail. You probably have an idea what's in here. I don't. So I'm going to be opening this here, sharing with you guys my first reactions on this bad boy. Keep in mind, I'll be linking anything that is available in the description for you to check these out if you're interested. Doing the honors today is going to be the Kunwu Chad, this beast of a premium EDC right here. I've been having a blast EDCing, carrying this thing. It's awesome with the diamond titanium handles here, with the very interesting PM60 steel and the crossbar locking mechanism. This thing has been a fidget dream. Super excited to the review on this one here very shortly. Check out the unboxing if you want to learn more for now. But let me go ahead and do a quick cut here. This thing is super short, like extremely short. And yes, these knives will be linked down below. If you want to learn more about these, I'll make sure to link them down there so you can check the price and such. All right, let's see this first one that we're looking at. All right, we're dealing with Kansept knives. We have two knives here actually, so we might need to do two separate unboxing videos. So we have JD for EDC, again, check him out here on YouTube. He makes really good content, EDC gear, knives, flashlights, everything EDC. So go ahead and give him a sub if you aren't already subscribed. Again, check out Lefty EDC as well if you haven't already. So we're dealing with two knives here. This one is a brand new brand that I haven't worked with before, TACCOM. That's going to be interesting. Let's go ahead and work on the Kansept knife here first. This is the Kansept Korvid S. This is a Kutch Tools design. That's interesting. I checked out some designs from Karambit Maker. So this was a different designer on this one. Black Stonewash, 14C, 28N, black micarta, Kydex sheath. All right, let's see what we're working with here, shall we? Without further ado, if you guys are ready, I'm ready. All right, what's the password to this box? All right, did I put the password in right? Hopefully. Now that is some tight fit right there, no doubt about that. All right, we got the instructions going on here. And boom, we're working with a fixed blade. All right, should have given it away when we said Kydex sheath. Check out this bad boy right here. Okay, Kydex sheath feels pretty good. Got the clip right there for the pocket. And let's see this bad boy here. If you guys are ready, I'm ready. Here we go. Good amount of tension there. Boom, check it out. Wow, here we are. The Korvid S as a fixed blade. First impressions right off the bat. It looks like a small fixed blade, but it feels the hand pretty good. I can get a full 4-finger grip on this bad boy here with my index in the finger choil right there, forward choke position, and boom, check out this little section right here, perfect for the thumb. All right, my thumb just went for that spot right there naturally. That's pretty good. And then you have a very cleaverish looking blade, if anything here, right? That's what comes to mind. Got a fuller going on both sides. Do we have an idea here? Yes, 14C 28N steel. It is on this black washed finish. Got some nice jimping going on up here at the top also. Check that out. And it's actually pretty light, honestly, like really, really light, which is a good thing, right? It's a small, very carryable EDC fixed blade right here. A little bit of a chopper, right? Kind of gives me chopping vibes with this blade geometry for sure. And the handle, this micarta is very different than other micartas I've handled, right? This one is a little bit more sturdy, like stronger construction, it feels like. You have some really strong cutouts in the micarta, maybe for grip purposes. Right there, a little bit of a lanyard hole here towards the back. Big hardware, that looks like T8 on both sides. And yeah, full tang construction on this bad boy. Yeah, you see the full tang of the blade there. Goes all the way to the handle. All right, very interesting, nice little, fixed blade right here, right? So this is definitely going to do some work. Let's do some quick size comparisons. Then we'll do some quick cuts, get an idea for this bad boy here. Compared to the knives that we typically do size comparisons here in the channel, we got the PM2, we got the Para 3, right? So this guy's gonna be definitely on the small size, much shorter than the Para 3 there, for sure. What about something like the Demko AD 20.5 from the Shark's foot blade? That's a little bit longer. Something like the new Shark Cub is also going to be a little bit longer. So, I mean, you're dealing with a very small factor fixed blade here. I want to say maybe like a 2.5 cutting edge length right there. Right, not bad, not bad. All right, what about something like the Rep Model 1? That's definitely going to be bigger. Rep Model 2, yeah, even shorter than the Rep Model 2. And we'll do one last one. How about the CJRB Pyrite Alt, the Warncliffe blade right there. All right, that's also a medium knife. And the Raccoon from Vosteed. So yeah, definitely shorter than those two as well. First impressions is that these are a very carryable design, right? Very comfortable in the hand. Ergonomics feel really good. Ergonomics are always going to be better on a fixed blade because you have no pocket clip in the horizon to worry about. So this is, as close to hand melting ergos as it gets. I'd say this curve right here really helps, the grip there quite a bit. But you know how it goes. I'm just sharing some first impressions with you all. So let's do some quick paper cuts here, shall we? Oh, that thing is sharp. Wow. Check out them swirls right there are something. And yes, I'm recycling some old paper here. Wow, it is slicey, guys. Wow, I haven't really experience anything this sharp since like maybe unboxing some Spydercos or something. Like wow, this is like really sharp, really sharp. So yeah, it's definitely gonna tear through that paper with no issues. What about some cardboard here, right? Remember when cutting cardboard, don't cut perpendicular but rather at an angle like that, and it already wants to bite through that cardboard. Check that out. Boom. Oh yes. Oh yes. Yeah, this thing is going to slice for days. What a slicey blade going on here. Very sharp to say the least, and also flat grind going on this chopper. Man, that was some effortless cutting right there. That's what that was, effortless cutting. I'm gonna call it that. Kydex sheath feels pretty good. Let's check out that action going in and out. That clip, that's a good clip right there. This one doesn't fly off, so you can unclick it there and you still, are able to take it out of the pocket, no issues. Feels like if you carry it on the right side, it's gonna look something like this. If you carry it on the left side, it's gonna look something like that. And yeah, not bad, right? The function is pretty good. Got a little drain hole going on there too. This is, wow, okay. I'm very impressed. I've checked out a few fixed blades in the past, and I must say this thing is already making a very good first impression indeed. But you guys know the drill. I'm going to be EDCing this guy for the next week or so before before I need to send this knife forward to the next YouTuber that's going to be reviewing it, that's going to be checking it out. I'm going to be gathering some feedback that I'm going to be sharing with you guys during a comprehensive review video that I'll be posting later on. Let me know anything you want to know about this knife in the comments, anything specifically that you want me to go over during the review. I'm excited to EDC this fixed blade right here, ready to put in work. This thing, man, is very sharp. I'm still a little impressed, very speechless at that. If you made it to the very end, you guys are the real MVPs. Don't forget to smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see more content like this on a daily basis. If you want to support the channel, you can either become a member on Patreon or you can become a member here on YouTube. You can join the channel as a member for exclusive perks. Chances are by the time you're done watching this video, the unboxing for the Kizer Huntsmen, this beast looking knife folder right here, is ready. So if you want to check out this unboxing video next, I'll put a card for it right here. Thank you so much for checking out this video today, guys. Love you all. Take good care. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Peace.